Labadiena! So prevent yesterday's scenario from happening, I will kick off the day by cleaning the shelf unit, and then I will ask for help to put it up there. But I think I can find a minute to clean this mess. Let's take a quick minute to talk about sanding blocks. So this is the one I use every day, and I mean it, I use it every single day. And it's super simple, it's just a wooden puck to fit in the hand comfortably, and on the back I have a Velcro pad. This is for these smaller discs, it's 125 in diameter, and I rarely ever use those smaller discs. I use these bigger ones, 150, because my orbital sander is designed for this. And I find out that these work even better on the smaller pad, because I can position the sanding discs off-centered. So this way I create one kind of hard edge, so I could go in the corner and sand only one surface. And on the opposite side I have this soft sanding possibility. The only downside is that it has that Velcro layer, and this it sands kind of softly, it softens the edges. Not a lot, but yeah, it has that softness. So from time to time I need this hard sanding block. And this one's even simpler. It's just a piece of hardwood with some sandpaper stuck on it. And I lay out the sanding material just the same way as on the files, leaving one edge blank. So I would have that option to go in the corner and sand only one surface. And of course, the opposite side is with two sanding surfaces. And also I left a bit of a lip, if you will, on one edge, because sometimes I find myself needing that extra bite in the very corner. So yeah, this is also very useful. Not that often, but yeah. Anyway, this one's dull already, so let's make a new one. Huge thanks to my colleagues, it was super tight fit. I'm really pleased about that, but I think I should loosen up that fit a bit because there might be some problems during assembly. Anyway, I will do that just before applying the finish. Now I'm really eager to fit the bench cabinet in place and fasten all the screws so I could check the stiffness of the frame. Yeah, let's do that now. I'm really pumped how it looks, and most importantly, I'm pleased how much movement it has. I was worried that since this much weight got up there, it will move a lot. And now it moves like I'm not sure, a centimeter in each direction. And even though it looks quite much, I was on the table to check how much force does it need to get it to the full stop, and that's not much. That's nothing. So I think a couple of screws to the ceiling will solve this issue. Anyway, now I have to create the mounting holes, take out the shelf, and finish everything. I ran out of oil. I mean, I still have it, I just need to mix another batch to finish that grit. But when I look at it now, it's probably gonna take 2, maybe 3 hours just for that grit. So that's not happening today. Honestly, my body just refuses to collaborate with me today. My thoughts are scattered. I'm super low in energy. I guess that's just a compounding lack of rest. So yeah, I thought that today's goal to fit the shelf and finish the rest will be a low-hanging fruit, but I guess it won't. So I will put that fruit on the ground for tomorrow, so it will be even easier to pick it up. I feel sincerely honored by your time, your views, your attention. Thank you. And see you tomorrow with more energy, hopefully. Bye-bye!